Hello everyone, welcome to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk. And today we are in the Rinkeby municipality. To be more specific, we are at the back of Akala Centrum in Akalla. And yeah, let's explore the area a little bit. I saw on the map there's something like an animal farm close to here. I think they got horses and things like that, so let's have a look. This is a completely different neighborhood than yesterday. In Birkeby, completely new area. This is an older area. This is a classic Stockholm suburb. I would say that it consists of 95% immigrants. And this is what you call in Sweden the hood. Of course, first thing I see, Thai massage place. As always, they are everywhere. So this is the Akala metro station here. I think the park is that way, yes. Oh, a heart, how lovely. And the Christmas tree. It's really like a concrete jungle here. Look at it, all the... You know, when you build like this, it's the same where I live. It's asking for trouble. Actually, let's have a look here on the thing, what's happening. Oh, winter lights. Rinkeby Christmas market. What's that? Oh, we missed it. Oh well. Oh, there's also barn golf, that's fun. Which is also called mini golf, or as we call it in Holland, the midget golf, but that's not really political correct. So straight away after here you got this little nature reserve called Eagle Becken. It's quite cool. So here, that's so Swedish. So here you got the neighborhood, and straight away after, up, you're in nature. Like 50 meters away. Really nice and quiet here. Little preschool on this side. Akala got in the news recently because there was this high school kid. Can't remember how old he was, but really young. Not even 16 years old, maybe 14, 15, and he got shot in the face in the middle of the day here in Akalla, right at the subway station where I just walked. So when I just walked past it, I was like, oh shit, someone got shot here in the middle of the day, not that long time ago. So it's a bit of a weird thought, to be honest. So yeah, things do happen in Sweden. This is not paradise, if you know what I mean. Alright, let's have a look if we see any animals. Oh yeah, there's some horses there. Let's have a look. Those who follow me on Instagram saw I was here with my kids a while ago. This animal farm here. Let's walk here because I'm so gonna fall over otherwise. This looks so surreal. Look, you got all the flats at the back and then the horses in front of it. Come. Come, come, come. Come. Beautiful animals. See, that's what I mean, like you got all the buildings at the back and then the horses in the front. Look so weird. Well, let's walk around a bit here. I just have to be really careful I don't slip here, because it's like icy everywhere. Oh, there's the stables. So yeah, so this is a so-called 4-H farm, which is a farm made for children to learn about nature and animals. So that's the whole oh, a duck pond that way, goats and hens. Let's have a look. Oh, they got pony ridings as well on the weekend. Wash your hands. Yes. Oh, there's some ice there. Oh, there I see them. Some sheep. That was the worst imitation of a sheep ever. Wow, he's talking to me. I think most of the animals are inside anyway because it's too cold for them. What's that? Sorry? Nice Christmas trees. Tree, not more. It's so funny because when you tell people the words Rinkeby or Akala or all these areas here, the suburbs, the first thing that comes to their mind is like flats and things like that, but they don't think about this. Like a hill and nature and forest. But it's also a very natural place. All these hoods here are very surrounded by very beautiful nature and parks and forests. It's great. Here are probably the people living that running these farms. Alright, let's make a circle and go back. Again, my battery is running out really fast these days. Not good. The colder it gets, the faster it runs out. It's always an issue. This place is really close to Sollentuna actually. It's just a 10-minute bus ride. Really handy for me to go here, so I didn't have to go all the way into town like I sometimes have to do. Oh, they have a really cute little seating area, these apartments here. Ah, great, I made a circle here. I can walk over the bridge again, where I kind of started this video. So yeah, a little bit of a shorter video today, mainly because of battery problems. Whoa, did you see that? I almost fell over. It's another reason to stop filming, because it's way too slippery. Oh, I almost had my first accident here on the channel. Probably would have been a good video if I would have fallen over, but oh, perfect. Let's stop here, exactly where I started the video. So thank you for watching here from Akala, and see you guys tomorrow.